You are going to love the 2022 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, heated steering wheel, compass, power brakes, clock, trip odometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.